The American Association of Clinical Endocrinologists has designated January as Thyroid Awareness Month. More than 20 million Americans suffer from thyroid disorders. Thyroid is a butterfly-shaped gland located in the middle of the lower neck. It regulates the body's metabolism and affects critical body functions such as energy level and the heart rate. Dr. Judith Milstead of Lake, Ear, Nose, Throat and Facial Plastic Surgery explains that although the thyroid gland is relatively small, it produces a hormone that influences every cell, tissue, and organ in the body.
The thyroid is a butterfly-shaped organ right in the low neck. Got two lobes, we call it an isthmus, that crosses the trachea, and its job is to regulate the metabolism. There's three hormones, primarily the TSH, which is sent by the brain telling the thyroid how hard it should work. And then there's an active form of the thyroid hormone, and then there's a storage form of the thyroid hormone. And sometimes the storage form gets built up inside of the place where it's formed and makes a nodule. They can get quite large. Identification of thyroid nodules it's been a big jump. Difficulty swallowing is probably the biggest. They can grow quite large and hide up underneath the collarbone and back towards the spine. They can be asymptomatic other than a little bit of a problem swallowing. Of course, after you take it out, it's much better, and they said, oh boy, I didn't know I was having that much problem. Used to have to wait till the person was choking or having something wrong with the metabolism before they could even be identified. Now you can find them before they can start giving you trouble. If they're cancerous, then we start looking for spread. If we do find spread, then we try to take it out at the same time we find it.
Women are 5 to 8 times more likely than men to have thyroid problems. The causes of thyroid problems are largely unknown. Undiagnosed thyroid disease may put patients at risk for certain serious conditions, such as cardiovascular diseases, osteoporosis, and infertility. You'll find web extras as well as contact information for Lake, Ear, Nose, Throat, and Facial Plastic Surgery in the Villages, Leesburg, and Tavares when you click the Thyroid Awareness StoryLink icon on our homepage, yourhometownhealth.com.